Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you class 9th maths second chapter. Name of the chapter is polynomials and factorization. Polynomials and factorization. So already we learned what are polynomials and how we have to do factorization. Okay. So now I am going to explain about polynomials. So now I am going to explain about polynomial. So what is a polynomial first of all? So a polynomial is nothing but which involves variables with non-negative integer power. Non-negative integer power which involves variables means what? First variables is nothing but which are written in x, y, z. An equation will be written in x, y, z or a, b, c. Variables always will denoted with the small letters. Variables always will denote with the small letters only. Okay. So what is a polynomial? So a algebraic expression with variables and non-negative powers and non-negative integer powers. So polynomial is nothing but variable with non-negative integer power. We call it as a polynomial. I think you are clear now. So example I will tell you. So polynomial which involves variables. Variables in the sense 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. So it is the equation in x. It is the algebraic expression in x. So we call it as a polynomial. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to explain you. So in polynomials only I am going to explain you degree. Based on the degree we are having some. We are naming the equations. So what is the degree? So degree of the polynomial. So second one definition is degree of a polynomial. So degree of a polynomial is nothing but highest power. Degree of the polynomial is nothing but highest power of an algebraic expression or highest power of a variable. What is highest power of a variable? Suppose I am taking an algebraic expression 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So what I told, highest power of the variable. So what is here highest variable is in x. So what is here power? 2. What is here power? Nothing means 1. So what is the highest power of the variable here? 2. So what is the degree here? 2. Understood? Degree is nothing but highest power of a variable, we call it as the degree. Highest power of the variable, we call it as a degree. Okay. Next, I am going to explain linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and a cubic polynomial. Linear, quadratic, cubic. So linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? Now only I explain you about degree, na? So linear polynomial is nothing but with an equation with degree 1. An algebraic expression or an equation with the degree 1. So if the equation with degree 1, we call it as a linear polynomial or linear equation. Example I will tell you 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Degree in the sense what? Highest power of the variable. So what is here variable? 1 only. Only 1 x here. So what is the here power? Nothing means 1. So what is the power of this equation? What is the degree of the total equation? Degree is 1. So if the algebraic expression with the degree 1, we call it as a linear polynomial. An algebraic expression with the degree 1, we call it as a linear polynomial. So second one, quadratic polynomial. So what is a quadratic polynomial? So an equation with the degree 2. An equation or an algebraic expression with degree 2. An algebraic expression with degree 2, we call it as a quadratic polynomial. I will tell you the example. So 2x square minus 2x plus 1. 2x square minus 2x plus 1. So what is here degree? First we have to check variables. Variables what are involved here? X only. So what is the here power 2? What is here power 1? So what is the degree of the total equation? 2. So your constant is there. Remember one thing, always a constant degree is 0. Always a constant degree is 0. So degree of the total equation is 2. Therefore, this type of equation we call it as a quadratic equation. Understood? With degree 1 we call it as linear equation. With degree 2 we call it as a quadratic polynomial. Next we are going to learn about cubic polynomial. So what are the cubic polynomial? In the name itself we are having cubic. Cube is nothing but 3. Cube is nothing but 3. So cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial means nothing but an algebraic expression with what? Degree 3. An algebraic expression with degree 3 we call it as a cubic polynomial. So example, 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 2. So what is here degree? Highest degree. Here we are seeing 3 as the highest power. 3 as the highest power. So degree of the equation is 3. Degree of the equation is 3. If the equation with degree 3, we treat it as a cubic polynomial. We treat it as a cubic polynomial. Okay. Now I am going to explain number of terms. If number of terms involved, if what we name as, okay. So monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. So what is a monomial? What is it? Based on the number of terms, monomial. So monomial, mono means what? Single. Mono means what? Single. So monomial is in the sense what? An expression which involves only one term. An expression which involves only one term. So if the expression have only one term, we call it as a monomial. Example, 3y, 5x minus 6x. So if it have only one term, an expression which involves only one term, we call it as a monomial. We call it as a monomial. Second one, binomial. Binomial. Bi in the sense 2. Bi in the sense 2. That means number of terms should be how many terms? Number of terms should be 2. Number of terms should be 2. If an equation involves 2 terms, if the equation involves 2 terms, we call it as a binomial. Suppose 3x minus 5. 3x is one term, 5 is one term. So in this equation we are having total 2 terms. If the 2 terms, if the equation consists of, we treat it as a binomial. We treat it as a binomial. Next, trinomial. Tri in the sense already I told. Tri means what? 3. So an expression which involves 3 terms, we call it as a trinomial. So trinomial. Trinomial. So tri in the sense 3. Tri in the sense 3. An expression which involves 3 terms. An expression which involves 3 terms. So 3x square minus 5x plus 3. So this is 1 term, 2 term, 3 terms. Total how many terms it involves? 3 terms. So we call it as a trinomial. We call it as a trinomial. You may ask a question, if 1 term is monomial, 2 terms is binomial, 3 terms is trinomial. So what about 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms? More than 3 terms, we treat it as a more than 3 terms. We treat as a what? Multinomial. We treat it as a multinomial. So clear? More than 3 terms in the sense 3x cube minus 5x square plus 3x minus 5. So how many terms here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So more than 3. We call it as a multinomial. Okay? Clear up to here? These are the definitions of your chapter 2 introduction part. So 2.1 you exercise, you check it out all of you once. 2.1 exercise. Wait. 2.1 exercise, if we see here, find the degree of each of the polynomial given below. I think I told you now only about degree of the polynomial. Yes, so what is the degree here? Okay, degree of the polynomial, exercise 2.1, all of you check it out, page number 32. Page number 32. First bit, what they are asking? Degree of the polynomial. One problem I will explain in each bit. You do remaining problems. You try for the... Okay, I will continue in part 2.